Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Roof Inn Suites Vallejo. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Red Roof Inn Suites Vallejo rooms with expanded cable TV. This California motel is less than 1 mile from Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. Guest rooms provide desks and telephones. Wi-Fi is available. Red Roof Inn Suites Vallejo offers guests laundry facilities, free local calls and a 24-hour front desk. This Red Roof is 3 miles from the Vallejo Ferry Terminal and 5 miles from California Maritime Academy. It is 8 miles from Napa Smith Brewery and Winery and 14 miles from Jelly Belly Factory Tours. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.